If you've been wondering whether Loppist is actually worth your money in 2026, here's my take after checking it out. At first glance, Loppist looks promising. The platform is designed to make things simple, and the overall interface is clean and easy to navigate. Whether you're completely new or have some experience, getting started doesn't feel overwhelming. What I liked most is that it focuses on keeping the process straightforward instead of packing in a bunch of unnecessary features. That said, it's not perfect. Depending on what you're looking for, you might find that some advanced options or customization features are a bit limited. When it comes to value for money, I'd say Loppist delivers a solid experience for most users. If your needs match what the platform offers, it's definitely worth considering. But if you're after more specialized tools or enterprise-level features, you may want to compare a few alternatives before making a decision. So, is Loppist worth it? I'd say yes, for the right person. It offers a good balance of usability, features, and overall value without making things overly complicated. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.